Now we are going to talk about triangles. Triangles. Triangle, right? Area या surface or plane bounded by three sides. Right? Plane bounded by three sides form triangle. Now, three sides are, a triangle is like this. This is, and this. If we say the vertex are A, B, and C. So a triangle has three vertex, right? Means A, B, and C. And triangle has three interior angles. That is angle A, angle B, and angle C. Right? And sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Right? And a triangle has three sides. AB, AC, and BC. Right? So a triangle has three vertex, three interior angles, and three sides. Right? And it is plane bounded by three sides is known as triangle. This is we have. Now, on the basis of angle, on the basis of sides, on the basis of interior angles, triangle is of three types. Right? First is all interior angles less than 90 degree, known as acute angle triangle. Right? If one angle of 90 degree, then right angled triangle, right? And if one angle more than 90 degree, then obtuse angle, angled triangle, right? Obtuse angle triangle. So there are three type of triangles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. It is on the basis of interior angles of triangle, right? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
So now on the basis of sides, on the basis of sides, scalene triangle, no side equal, right? No side equal. इधर देखो. And we have isosceles triangle, one side is two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, right? Isosceles triangle. Or then we have equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. There is all sides equal. All sides equal. You get it? Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and we have equilateral triangle, right? In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, right? And scalene triangle, no sides are equal. This is we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Sum of all interior angles is 180 degree, right? So there is a triangle ABC, A, B, and C. This is D. This is by construction, draw CD, CE parallel to AB. So this is CE, which is parallel to AB, right? If this is angle 1, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, then it is angle 4, and this is angle 5, right? Then what happens? AB parallel to CE and AC is transversal. AC is ट्रांसवर्सल. तो क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4 अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर angles, and when AB is parallel to CE and BD is transversal, then angle 2 is equal to angle 5. They are corresponding angles, right? On same side of a line, sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree, right? So therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 4 is equal to angle 1 and angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So sum of all interior angles, is equal to 180 degree. Do you get this? Okay. Now Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
I will rub this part only.
Written.
You written this, na?
Hmm.
And you have proved that ठीक है. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 is equal to angle 4 and angle 2 is equal to angle 5.
Yes, sir.
You wrote this, na?
Hmm.
Okay. I'm going to rub.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. क्या? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite
Interior angle.
interior angles. So, as angle 1 is equal to angle 4 proved before, and angle 2 is equal to
Angle 5.
angle 5 proved above, proved before, so we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. This is what? Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle BCA. BC, exterior angle BCA. Exterior angle BCA. Right? So therefore, hence proof. Hence proof. Right? You have this?
Yes, sir.
You understand this much? Okay. Now we talk about congruency. What is congruency? What do you mean by congruency? Congruency. What is that? Congruency means when one object coincide over other completely. Right? Means if this is an angle of 60 degree, this is PQR is of 60 degree, so an angle ABC is of 60 degree. So angle PQR is congruent to to angle ABC. If two circles have same radius, then they are congruent, right? If two lines have same length, then two line segments have same length, then line segments are congruent, right? So similarly, if we draw two lines, say one line is like this is line AB. So this is line segment AB of 5 centimeter, and another line segment PQ is having same line segment of 5 centimeter, then AB is line segment AB is congruent to line segment PQ, right? There. This is similarly. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when two triangles coincide each other, then they are said to be congruent, right? Like there is a triangle ABC and there is a triangle PQR. This is PQR. This is A, B and C. So if AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, and BC is equal to QR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, then triangle ABC coincide over triangle PQR completely, and or triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Right? This is congruent. This is congruency when they coincide each other completely. But completely when they are coinciding each other, then they are said to be congruent. ठीक? Now congruency, they have three pairs of sides and three pairs of angle. So every time representing these three things is very difficult. So we take any three things and on that basis we decide. So first it is said if AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ, and AC is equal to PR, and BC is equal to QR. Right? So by SSS मतलब side criteria of congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Right? Do you get this?
Yes, sir.
So this is SSS criteria of congruency. Right? Now, should I rub?
Yes, sir.
There is a triangle ABC. And there is a triangle PQR, right? Then if AB is equal to PQ, right? And angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P. This is called including angle. Including angle. And AC is equal to PR. Then by side angle side, or SAS by SAS criteria of congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. You get this? This is, we have SAS and SSS criteria of congruency, right? I hope you're done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the last question of your exercise.
Question number 13.
Should I come?
Yes, sir.
Question number 13. What is that?
In the adjoining figure,
Question number 13. What is? Show me. This is.
yes, sir.
So this is triangle.
सर
हाँ.
आपने जो है देखी है
No, ये.
तो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये
अच्छा. No.
यस सर
How? There is a triangle like this, and this, and this is, right? What it is saying to be? Okay. This side is equal to this side is equal to this. So if we give it the names, we can call it A, B, C, D, right? So in triangle BDC and triangle BDA CD is equal to AD given, and BC is equal to AB given, and BD is equal to BD common. So by SSS congruency criteria, triangle BDC is congruent to triangle BDA. So angle CDB is equal to ADB by CPCTC, right? So these two angles are equal, and angle CBD is equal to angle ABD by CPCTC, right? So now what is given us? So these two angles are also equal, right, by CPCT. Now what is given us? It is given us y is equal to y plus 5 is equal to 46 degree, right? Y plus 5, this is 46 degree, and this is 35 degree, and this is 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So they will be equal. So we can write here. So angle CDB is equal to angle ADB. So y plus 5 degree is equal to 46 degree. So y is equal to 46 degree minus 5 degree. So y is equal to 41 degree. Y is equal to 41 degree. And same we have angle CBD is equal to ABD. So CBD is how much? 35 is equal to 35 35 is equal to 2x plus 5. So it is how much? 35 minus 5 is equal to 2x. So 30 is equal to 2x. So therefore x is equal to 30 by 2, it becomes 15 degree. Right? So x is equal to 15 degree. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Check your answer.